Hi everyone, Nita here, sharing a layout for kitaholic kits. I'll be using the main and the embellishment kit for November. I'm using a cut file from the Silhouette store. I've backed it with the orange and mint paper. I was going to use white cardstock and I wanted to tuck the photo just underneath those leaves. But yeah, changed my mind. I decided to go with this mint cardstock. I don't know, I thought the white texture paste would go like really well with the background. I really like Marty modeling paste as it's thick and it's not a really wet medium, so your cardstock doesn't buckle too much and it dries quick. I've added double-sided tape to the back of my cut file and adhered it down off camera because, well, it's a bit boring watching someone unpeel the backing but yeah, I wanted to stick the photo in that corner, so I'm going to add some papers behind my photo. I'm using that white textured paper from the main kit. I've decided I really wanted to add a little bit of pink behind the photo, so I'm using a bit of cardstock from my stash. Same with the mint cardstock for my layout background, that's from my stash too. And I'm just adding a little bit more of that orange behind the pink in my photo. Now just attaching my photo. I'm using some die cuts from the embellishment pack. And some embellishments from the main kit. I really wanted to stick with the mint, orange and pink with a touch of craft colour for the colours of my layout. I wanted to be soft and light and a little girly. I decided the bottom of the layout needed a little bit more extra colour, so I'm going to use some washi tape at the bottom. But to get the pop of white behind the strip, I'm using a bit of white cardstock. It's just leftovers from when I trimmed my cardstock down to add a border at the background. I had another idea for the top of my layout. I'm going to use another strip of white cardstock and washi tape at the top. But I'm going to change it up a little. I'm going to use a pair of decorative Fiskars scissors. They're just a pair of scalloped scissors. I'm going to add an edge. And you'll see in a moment. I like using, it's like a pink party streamer, and all I've done is with my sewing machine, I've gathered and stitched it so it's all gathered up, so I can just adhere it down. And I'm just checking to see that I like it. I think it just adds that extra little, I don't know, pretty touch to the top of the layout and just changes the design slightly. The glue that I always use to attach stuff like this, I get from my local craft store. It's just a craft and hobby glue. It's it just dries, it's clear and dries clear, and you can stick it, use paper, cardboard, wood, fabric, leather, plastic and glass. So it's a really good glue. I really wanted to fussy cut that. It's like a old foil reef, but I don't end up using it. And I was thinking about incorporating the little chipboard bits, but I don't end up using them. I decide on using the little flower and a little leaf. I also wanted to add a little extra at the bottom of the layout because I was thinking it just needs something a little bit more. And yes, there is a fly in my craft room and it is annoying. I really like these puffy stickers, they're so pretty. I was thinking I want to add that my story or love, and I end up choosing my story to add to the top there. It just gives it that extra pop of orange. want to add this oh so pretty little phrase to the bottom there. And I was thinking maybe I should put it at the top, but I chose to put it at the bottom, and I wanted to add something beside it, like a little die cut. And found this stitched heart that was perfect for that. So pretty. And if you're wondering about the big roll of double-sided tape I have, I actually purchased it from Bunnings. It's about $11 something, and it's a massive roll. So for Aussie girls out there who want a big roll of super sticky double-sided foam tape, Bunnings has a massive roll. And if you're not worried about the whole acid-free kind of thing. Now I decided I was going to use that button, but in the end I wanted to use another one of them little puffy hearts in the center. I don't know. The whole 3 number kind of thing. 3 flowers, 3 hearts. Yeah. A little weird. Obsessive. Okay, so thanks for checking out my layout today, and enjoy the close-ups.